Good morning, children. How are you all? Hope you all are fine. Now let us discuss lesson number 3, growing up. So please take out your EVS textbook. Page number 15. What is there? Growth. What do you mean by growth? Animals and human beings grow bigger and taller with age. It means growth takes place both in animals and human beings. So what do you mean by growth? Growth, the process of growth is very slow, and in growth we can say the increase in size, it is called growth. The definition of growth is increase in size. Plants also grow and increase in size with time. Here can you see, children, bigger and taller is given. They are the comparative degrees of big and tall. So opposite of big is small and opposite of tall is short. And bigger and taller are the comparative degrees of big and tall. Their superlative degree will be biggest and tallest. Now let's have a look on another topic, that is growth in human beings. Now there are different stages of growth in humans. So let us discuss about each and every stage of growth in humans. First stage is infant. What do you mean by infant? A newborn child who cannot talk, walk or eat food on its own is called an infant. Newborn child that who cannot talk, who cannot walk and who cannot eat food on its own, they are called infant. This is the first stage of growth in humans. Now second stage is child. After 2 years of birth, an infant grows into a child. A child can sit, walk, speak and play in this age. He and she becomes tall and strong with the time. So after 2 years of birth, it means after the infant's second stage is child. After 2 years of birth, an infant grows into a child. So infant will become child, and a child can sit. After 2 years, a child can sit also, walk also. He or she can speak also what he or she need. He or she can play also, and they will become tall and strong with the time. So now let's go on third stage. The third stage is teenager. Let us see the spelling of teenager. T-E-E-N-A-G-E-R. Teenager. Now what do you mean by teenager? A child grows into a teenager. Here the age is given is from age 13 to 19. Now you are at the age of 8 to 9. So you are a child. But when you reach at the age of 13, you will become a teenager. This is the third stage of growth in human beings. When changes takes place at this stage, many changes takes place at this stage. That means at the age of 13 to 19, many changes will take place in your growth, in your body language, in your likes, in your dislikes, everything. It will change accordingly. Now let us go on the fourth stage. Fourth stage is adult. What do you mean by adult? Let us discuss. A teenager grows into a young man or a woman called an adult. Young man or a woman means boy will convert into man and a girl will convert into woman. After the age of 19, the teenager grows into a young man or a woman. That stage is called adult. Now after adult, the fifth stage is old. Many years later, a young person or adult becomes old. Now you can take example of your grandfather and grandmother. After age of adult, now they are becoming old. Now today only you observe your grandfather and grandmother. that they are old and their skin gets wrinkled. Wrinkled ગુજરાતી we can say કરસલી પડવી. આપણા દાદા દાદીના ફેસ ઉપર તમે જોજો એમાં એના ફેસ પર કરસલી પડી ગઈ હશે. So that stage is called fifth stage, that is old stage, and their hair will also turns grey. So you observe your grandparents, see their face, see their hair also. That is the stage number 5, that is old. So let us discuss infant, child, teenager, adult, old. Let us read every spelling. INFANT, infant. CHILD, child. TEENAGER, teenager. ADULT, adult. OLD, old. These are the 5 stages of growth in human beings. Now let us discuss the growth in plants and animals. So come on page number 17. Now before starting that topic, here complete the blanks are given. So here the different stages are given. You have to fill accordingly. First stage is infant, after that child, after that teenager, after that adult, and then old. Now next topic is growth in plants and animals, that we will discuss in part 2 of this video.